Yeah.
All right, so how do you want to start it?
We're back.
Yeah, we're back. Go shit. It's here again. It's your boys. That's right, guys.
We're back.
And we're here in Charlotte, and the reason why we're in Charlotte is for Beers and Gears. Finally here, mostly Beers and Gears meet.
Haven't been here in a while, but you know it's been 4 months. But we're great to be back here. Feels amazing. It's almost perfect weather. It's gonna be a little bit hot today, but
a little toasty.
We've got a lot of clients out here, a lot of fans, and a lot of spectators here for the show. All the cars are starting to roll in. Will, tell us a little bit what you can expect for today.
Feel poor, basically.
Word of the day today is ignorance.
Yeah, word of the day is ignorance, and let's just see. Okay, GT3 RS, cool. Yeah. Okay. The vento door, cool. Yeah. Oh, another. All right. Oh, cool. Well, yeah, but also two guys, two SVJ Roadsters. All right, so here we have Sancho's F8 Tributo in white. This thing is super dope. So we actually, when he got it, we added just Novotec springs and Boston wheels, and it turned out perfectly. So happy to be friends with someone like Sancho who has taste. Friends with taste are the best. Keep having taste, Sancho, please. It's your turn now. For what? And we're back, sorry. I had to grab my kid. So Seth,
yeah,
we're here, bro. Our second Gears Mirrors that you've been to.
Yes.
And now you guys see it in full heat, because you see.
It will actually.
Sorry, I don't have a stand, so I'm actually holding the GoPro, but you see. Tell me the show.
Showcase my car, come on.
Oh yeah, here's Seth's car. Alright, cool. Oh look, ACR. Oh, and a Targa. Oh, an AMG. There's literally, you get a little bit of taste of everything here in Charlotte. Everything is so quality.
It's like a great meet. It's so awesome.
That's great. Yeah, honestly, for us, it was an event that we saw there was an opportunity for to have in Charlotte. We noticed that there really wasn't much of a monthly big meet here.
Even
besides
though there's
this.
like way better cars here.
Yeah, like all they had was a Cars and Coffee. And it's cool, like Cars and Coffee is great, but we have an event here very similar in Atlanta that Dirty Dub started called Gears and Beers. And that one is by far our favorite. It has such a chill vibe, and we just kind of wanted to bring that out here into Charlotte, and it's cool. But for us in Atlanta, where it's just, a bunch of Volkswagens and Audis chilling, maybe a Porsche in there. Here it's
full send, bro. Full send, bro.
Hitters.
Like what?
What'd you bring? Yes.
2 SVJ. Yeah.
Yes, and there's only 5 in the world, and they're spectacular in every single way. But yeah,
Beautiful.
let's go check it out. Let's see what else is here. Let's go walk a bit, because what's cool is it's not just supercars. There's like pretty unique stuff everywhere.
Like our boy.
Yes, and it seems that we've reached the section of distinguished gentlemen, as you see. Yes, as you see, Austin Moulton.
That is so distinguished. Are you kidding me? Look at the paint. That's beautiful. Yeah,
Right?
definitely.
We're never a bad guy in an Aston.
Just waiting for Daniel Craig to like walk out of the bar.
And maybe no secret anymore that I'm a huge Aston Martin fan. They're just, God, they're so pretty.
Actually, Aston Martin is the underappreciated GT4.
And the most unappreciated Porsche probably ever is the GT4. It's literally perfect.
It's superior to GT3.
And Porsche doesn't want you to know that, but it is. It has a mid-engine.
It just is.
Oh,
just don't even argue.
they're so dope. Well, yeah, let's go check it out some more. Seth, but I want to show you what this is, because this is pretty dope. It looks like a regular S2000, right?
Dude, this thing is so cool.
He knows. He heard it coming in, but it doesnn't have a K at all.
It turned out pretty good. You got 2 9. I thought it came with 6 ones.
So essentially, it's a LS and a S2000. Terrific in every way. Scrumptious.
Sensational.
Ooh. Lotus Esprit, yeah. Ooh. And even better, because this is what you want when you get an Esprit, is factory Futuras. It came like this from factory.
Gorgeous.
It's just boxy sexiness, isn't it, Seth? Isn't it just
The boxiness, the sexiness, it's overwhelming.
It's wedgy, it's wedgy
absolutely
sexiness.
overwhelming.
It's perfection. I love it. I want one.
Yeah.
And it comes with a V8.
Oh, yeah.
Can you even, like, it has Futuras with that faces match the lips, Dylan,
So
and
look how long the bottom of the seat is. You see that?
yeah, it's just, they're so cool, so cool. All right, Seth, what was your question again?
School time.
All right, school time. All right,
Lotus.
Seth, what's up?
I've heard it's Toyota. Is it owned by Toyota?
No, common misconception, actually. So they have a deal with Toyota where they buy engines from Toyota. So the Evora has the same V6 you have in the Camry. They just beef it up a bit and add a supercharger. The Elise, he's the same that was out of the Corolla. They just kind of beefed it up. And yeah. So it's actually,
So it's kind of like the new BMW Supra.
not exactly, just because they're just buying the engines, they're not co-developing the car. Lotus designs the chassis, the suspension, everything. They just buy engines from it. That's their deal. And it honestly makes them a little more reliable and easy to maintain
Yeah.
because this has a Toyota power plant.
Must be nice.
Yeah, that's your fun fact for the day. All right, so another gig I do while I'm at these events is I'm actually the photographer for the Gears and Beers. So yeah, I'll take around, show you guys what I'm shooting. I know, gotta show Big Daddy some love. Yes. Oof. ALP, what do you think about that?
That shit's fire, bro.
That's, I mean,
But look at this thing, holy.
and you know what? Let's talk about ignorance. Let's talk about max ignorance, bro. I respect that ignorance, though. I respect the ignorance.
No, I respect that.
Like, you want to be that guy, that's that guy and he's loving it. Oh boy, I'm feeling a little pressure down there, bro.
Yo, the white one though, that's tough.
Oh yeah, so for those that are wondering what I'm shooting with, it's a Canon 6D with a 24-70 lens. Probably most versatile setup, I think so, and honestly best bang for your buck, because this is like the limit of somewhat cost-effective photography. But yeah, pretty good, cool setup. I highly recommend. Ooh, I'm not usually a huge exotic guy, but I have a huge fan for V12 Ferraris. The fact that they make it just for tradition is the best. F12 running at over 7 horsepower V12 NA. So good. I'm gonna shoot it now. You know,
So we've actually never showed you the inside of Sugar Creek, but this is
our home.
being from Atlanta, we're used to a lot of breweries, and most of the meets that we go to are at breweries. But this is probably, I'd say, you know, up there with some of the beer choices I've had selection, and it's pretty good. So
And it's
let's check out
beautiful place.
inside.
Sugar Creek Brewing.
So tell us a little bit about Sugar Creek. Tell us about, you know, why you let us come here and have this amazing car show.
Welcome to our home, first of all. Sugar Creek Brewery, I think we are the 8th brewery to open in Charlotte, North Carolina. We do make the best beer. I'm confident about that.
Top 10 for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. But look, no, I've loved partnering with Eurofed from day one. I mean, they bring the same kind of energy that we want to bring with our beer, which is exciting, fun, flashy, and the bomb. So I want to show you guys the back of it.
Oh, it's really bomb.
And it is much larger than most people think it is back here. It goes deep. So this is where all No.
Alright, so forgive me, boys. I gotta go on my own camera, and it's made for photos. So,
Jeez. Yeah, this
yeah.
place
So
is
we're
massive.
gonna
I mean, I went to desk.
we're gonna try it because I don't know.
Well, they have a contract with Kroger, so, or Publix, sorry. So.
Yeah. Anyway, so we're back. Well, yeah, man. Tell us about our home for beers and gears.
Yeah, man, this is where the magic happens. Half these tanks are our fermenters. It's where we are cellaring the beer. All the big O is hanging out and hiding in those bad boys. Canning line where we package all of this stuff, and then I'll show you around the corner the mountain of cans that are waiting to be filled.
Ooh, good. Might need a few of them.
Yes.
So you got enough room?
Right? Not only is the big O been a rock star for us lately, the Hazy Creek has also been a rock star.
Yeah, it looks like you sell a lot of them.
Yeah, right? It's about a semi-truck worth of Hazy Creek cans. It will be in Publix, Harris Teeter,
Good.
Kroger's, Piggly Wiggly, Roach, everywhere you can think that beer can be in both Carolinas.
So, do we need to get the big O in Georgia?
Yeah, if you can make it in Georgia, we'll be.
I mean, if you get us like coolers worth, like so we can have a mini fridge, stocked in
The big
Atlanta.
O is so good. Like, it needs to be pushed across America.
You go
Bro.
to our website and you can order beer online and we will mail it to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, honestly, no. It's such a good summer like beer. Seriously, it's so refreshing.
It's so delicious. I don't understand. What's the percentage about?
7.
That's crazy. It's like scofflaw.
That and then the what's the raspberry one?
Oh, that is 4.4 ABV.
I like that beer too as well.
I'll show you the last little room back here. Nice physical recess since it's so hot outside. You don't need full room in the building.
Oh yeah.
I know we're about to.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh. This face is.
Literally all this is packaged, wrapped, ready to go. These are filled, those are filled, those all appear and disappear in about a week and a half's time.
Holy shit. It's a nice.
It's pretty.
What's it, 30 degrees in here?
Yeah. Right.
We try to keep it about 42 degrees, 41 degrees in this room at all times.
So is that like the best temperature to like serve beer at? Or
It's
like...
a great, well, because we transitioned from this room to a smaller room, and that's a temp that we try to keep it out.
Yeah,
It pours
this
really
is cold.
smoothly.
Yeah.
We get all the heads foam that everyone hates.
Oh man, you guys really know what you're talking about. It's almost like you really good at this.
Sounds like you make your own beer.
Right?
God, you guys should open a brewery.
Who's the brewer?
Oh, so it's a handful of guys. Our owner and brewmaster, his name is Joe Vogelbacher. He is the 19th Master Cicerone in the world.
How long
It's
has he
the
been doing
highest level you can achieve in the beer community.
Oh.
He's the last one to pass this exam.
So he's like a double black belt.
He
the
is
bar.
the only one in the southeast that is a Master Cicerone. Anheuser-Busch has 2 up north, there's 2 out west. He runs the whole southeast for that
That's
title.
awesome.
There's 1 in Canada and everyone else
Hell
is in
yeah,
Europe.
hell yeah.
So when it comes to beer, he does know more.
He might know a thing or two.
Yeah.
He might.
Well, listen, I appreciate you showing Eurofed back over here. We look forward to continue having the meets over here.
Yeah.
Always appreciate you hosting us over here. And let's go hang out with all the boys,
Go have
guys.
some beer.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's have some beer, guys. Come on. And what's up, guys? As you can tell, we are no longer in Charlotte. We're back here at our Atlanta store. Turns out we got way too caught up in the fun and actually forgot to do a proper outro. So just wanted to take a second. Thank you all who actually went and attended our Gears and Beers event. It was so amazing. Words can't describe how great how much we love that event. It's so much fun. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. See you guys.